Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code with Khush. Today we are going to solve one of the most important questions that mostly asked in interviews, like container with most water. This question recently asked in a quantify interview for my friend also, and this is a very important question and very easy one, but many people do it wrong. Uh, by using a nested for loops also, using a brute force approach with O of n square time complexity. It's quite be difficult for them, for an interview to judge it. So let's do it with very simple trick and with using a two pointer approach. It's a two pointer questions actually. So it's a question number 11, container with most order. You are given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines draw such that two endpoints of the ith line I of 0 and I of height of 1. Find two lines that together with axis from a container such that the container contains most of water, returns the maximum amount of water a container can store. Okay, so here the question is not about which two sides are higher. It's about at which length the maximum amount of water is content we can store in that container. Okay, so there are given a multiple heights of traps there. Okay, so we need to calculate, and how we are going to calculate it. uh, Basically, what's the formula to calculate the area of rectangle? Height into width, right? So we are going to apply that same in this example. So let's see, and let's jump on a code and let's see how we can do that. So we need first height of container. So integer n equals to heigst height dot alien gth length. Okay, so we need a left pointer, integer left equals to 0, integer right equals to n minus 1, and for calculating the maximum area we need one more variable, that is maximum area. That max area equals to 0. Okay, and then we are going to use a while loop here. Then while loop left should be great smaller than right. Still our loop is going to be executed there, and we need to first calculate the current area. We are going to calculate first current area, then we are going to compare it with maximum area, and whichever is max we are going to calculate it. That's it. So that current area equals to math dot mean height height of left comma height of right. Okay, and then width. So left left minus right, we are going to get a width of array, and then max area we need to calculate. So we are going to compare max area equals to math dot max equals to math dot max not equals to, sorry, max. Many typos are going on in this question. Max area comma current area. Okay, and then we are going to check that if height of left is less than height of right, then we are going to do left plus plus, unless we are going to do right minus minus. Okay, I hope we have done everything correct here. Let's try to run it. Oh, sorry, we corrected, but we didn't return the max area. So return max area. I hope I'm correct everywhere. Okay. Oh, what's wrong here? So let's check. So the thing is, we need to minus right minus left, because right is greater. Right is always right. Right is greater. Now what's happened? What's wrong in it? Let's try to recall it. What's the issue here? That we need to be right else block here, the right minus minus, because without else block it's every time executing and right is going to be a minus minus, so our answers are going to be wrong mostly. I think that will be a issue. Yeah, it's perfectly working right now. Let's try to submit it. We beat almost 82%. Okay, that's working. It's a two-pointer approach and ask in many interviews, and for technical interviews sometimes it's given by interviewer to solve it. So just remember, in this question we need to calculate a area which contain a maximum amount of water. That time we need to apply the formula of length height into width. So how we calculate height? Just by pointing the maximum height minimum height of that container left to right minus the that 2 points width. Okay, and then we are going to solve it. I hope it will be clear for you and you can solve it and rock in interviews. Best of luck. Thank you for it's done for today.